Ito po intindihin nyo kasi baka maipit kayo ng short naman. Nasa support level na tayo ni Bitoy. Si Baby Toy ko, nandito na siya sa support. Yung SR Flips, in-explain ko na yan kanina. There is a possibility, and nasa second week na rin tayo, we are towards our third week ng August. So normally, yung third week, fourth week, nandun ang bombahan. So there is a possibility na kung hindi na natin, kung mag-hold to support natin hanggang dito sa area ng 28,000. If 28,000 will hold, there is a possibility na mag-reverse tayo muna ulit papuntang 30. Ang 29 papuntang 30. And then from there, let's see. So pag nangyari yan, even your Ethereum and some of the alts na sumasabay sa galaw ni Bitoy, magre-reverse din. Most of the traders, kaya nadadali dito kasi bago sila maging bearish, naunahan na sila maging bearish ng market. Meaning to say, nandito yung presyo sa support and they are turning bearish. Pa-bearish pa lang yung utak nila. Nandito na sa support diba? So, ang ginagawa, nag-short dyan sa support. Don't do that. Pahiipit po kayo kasi pwede itong ipump. So, let's see. We need to observe yung reaction ng price dito in the next coming days. 28K will hold. There is a possibility that we'll see a pump. 28K will hold. Ayan na muna. Tito Moves yan. Follow and like for more updates.